Current status of U.S. visa services by country, August 2022. The coronavirus pandemic led to the suspension of U.S. visa services around the world. As restrictions start to ease, most U.S. embassies and consulates have resumed certain immigrant and non-immigrant visa appointments. Here's the current status of visa services by country. Philippines. U.S. Embassy Manila has resumed all routine visa services. Wait times for interviews are longer than before the pandemic, except for immediate relatives. For non-immigrant visas, the embassy is prioritizing applicants with urgent travel needs. Mexico. Visa services are limited and vary by city. Applicants should expect long wait times. United Kingdom. The U.S. Embassy in London and the U.S. Consulate in Belfast are currently open for emergency non-immigrant visa services only. They have not resumed routine visa services, including tourist visa services. Immigrant visa appointments are available but limited. Dominican Republic. The U.S. Embassy in Santo Domingo is now interviewing all categories of immigrant visas. Limited routine work and student visa services have resumed. The embassy has resumed in-person interviews for tourist visa applicants whose interviews were canceled on March 13, 2020. Thailand. The U.S. Embassy and Consulate General in Thailand has resumed routine non-immigrant and immigrant visa services. Applicants are also able to renew their visa by mail. Brazil. The U.S. Embassy and Consulate in Brazil has resumed routine non-immigrant visa appointments. National interest exceptions are no longer required to enter the U.S. Immigrant visa services are available, but wait times are long. Nigeria. The U.S. Embassy in Abuja and Consulate General in Lagos are offering limited non-immigrant and immigrant visa services. Colombia. The U.S. Embassy Bogota has suspended routine immigrant and non-immigrant visa operations. India. The U.S. Consulate in Mumbai reopened all immigrant visa services. Routine non-immigrant services remain limited at U.S. Embassy New Delhi and the consulates Chennai, Hyderabad, Calcutta, and Mumbai. China. Regular visa services have resumed at the U.S. Embassy Beijing and U.S. Consulate Generals in Guangzhou and Shenyang. The Shanghai office is currently closed. Visa applicants should schedule their interviews with Beijing, Guangzhou, or Shenyang. All consular services at the U.S. Consulate General Chengdu have been suspended until further notice. Ukraine. The U.S. Department of State has suspended consular services at the U.S. Embassy in Kyiv due to the Russian invasion. The State Department has designated Consulate General Frankfurt as the primary processing location for Ukrainians. Those applying for an IR3 or 4 adoption visas should submit their application at the U.S. Embassy Warsaw. Russia. U.S. Embassy Moscow has suspended all immigrant visa services. The U.S. Embassy in Warsaw is processing immigrant visas for residents of Russia. Visa services at U.S. consulates in Yekaterinburg and Vladivostok remain suspended due to critically low staffing. If you've already received an appointment notice for somewhere other than Warsaw, email support@ustraveldocs.com to have your case transferred. Vietnam. The U.S. Embassy in Hanoi has resumed all visa services. Non-immigrant and immigrant visa interviews have slowly started to resume. All 221G applicants may go to the U.S. Consulate General in Ho Chi Minh City for an interview anytime between 8:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m., Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday, except holidays. The consulate will see 221G applicants on a first-come, first-served basis. Indonesia. The U.S. Embassy in Jakarta is offering immigrant visa services in all categories. The U.S. Embassy in Jakarta and Consulate General Surabaya have resumed limited appointments for all non-immigrant visa categories. Canada. Visa services vary by city. The U.S. Embassy and consulates in Canada have resumed U.S. citizen services and most non-immigrant visa services. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boundless for the latest in immigration news. Thanks for watching.